How to fix Safari with the message "This connection is not private" error on iPhone. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Settings on your phone. Scroll down and search for Safari here. As you find it, you want to go ahead and tap on it. Now, here again, you need to scroll down to the bottom and you will see Clear, History and Website Data. Go ahead and tap on it. Tap on Clear History and Data. Tap on Close Tabs. That might help you solve the problem. And next thing that you can do is you want to go back to the settings, and as you do that, you will enter to the screen where you want to go ahead and scroll down a little bit, and then you want to go ahead and tap on VPN and device management. You have to make sure that there is no VPN connection. Then go one step back, and then you want to go ahead and tap on date and time. Make sure it is set to automatically. The message "This connection is not private" also occur because you may have entered wrong URL, so make sure you have entered the correct URL, and that might help you solve the problem. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.